Hey guys, so this is really going to be a part 2 to the unboxing of a Cintiq, except in this one I'm going to actually take this for a test drive and do a couple paintings on here and see what I think about the Cintiq, so stick around. Alright guys, so here we go. Here's something I'm going to paint. This is a picture that a friend of mine drew and I wanted to paint it for, and after I get done with this I may do my own version of this, so I'm going to draw one just with this as my inspiration and paint it again. So we'll have a couple paintings for this Cintiq as we give it a try, so let's get started. Alright, so here's one of the things I like about the Cintiq over the Unova. It does not have as much of a glare as the Unova does. The Unova is just pretty much just a straight glass. This one has, I'm guessing it's an anti-glare, but I don't see as much reflection in this screen as I did in the Unova. The other noticeable thing that I see is the color difference. With the Unova, I had to change the color setting. I believe I had to adjust to more of a red type of color so it would match my Mac screen, and so it was a little bit more consistent. With this one, when I run it across to the Mac, it looks very similar, so I do think the colors are a bit better, so I like that. Otherwise, I thought that I might feel a little bit weird with a little bit of the texture, since I'm used to Unova's smooth screen, but the texture on here really doesn't bother me as much as I thought it might, and I thought I might hear the scratch a lot, but I listen to music when I'm doing any of these paintings and stuff like that, so right now I'm enjoying it. So let's get back to this and finish it off. So there we have it. There's the finished product with the Cintiq, and just so you know, I kind of made this similar to my book style that I have on Amazon. Shameless plug. But I wanted to make it with similar brushes and have that same feel, because to me it felt like very much a children's book and a little bear having fun. So that's what that was. I decided to try to recreate this bear in a different way. I want to have his eyes open, things like that. So now I'm going to do a little test drive with a different way to paint, but still using the Cintiq. So hopefully you guys stick around, watch that, see if see anything different. Okay, so here is my sketch for this bear. The original bear is the inspiration for it, but this is just kind of my version. And I'm going to do him a little bit different, not so much of the kids book version. I'm going to do him a little bit different. That way it's a little bit more interesting. You guys can see a different version on the Cintiq. And let's get going with that. Hey guys, so that's it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me paint for the first time on the Cintiq. Just so you know, this is not the most expensive Cintiq. This is more of the baseline Cintiq. There's a professional version of this where the costs go way higher, but final thoughts about this. It's made really well. I've enjoyed painting on it. Do you have to have this in order to be successful painting? Absolutely not. My Unova, I'd be fine with drawing on that and painting on that for years to come. But this is very nice, and I'm going to enjoy having this for years to come as well. So if you have the money, go for it. If you don't, Unova is a great way to go, and they have other tablets out there as well that I'm hearing good things about, so you don't always have to have a Cintiq, and hopefully that's going to actually drive down a lot of prices for Cintiq. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will leave a link in the description below about the Cintiq, and I'll put in one for the Unova as well. Until next time, thanks for watching.